Hello everyone, I'm Kritika Gupta and I'm a certified face yoga specialist. Today we will be using Gua Sha. The Gua Sha has been used traditionally in Chinese not only for the beauty but also as a medicine to relieve pain in the body. But we will be using Gua Sha for our facial muscles to give your skin glow, work deep on the tissue, give your skin firmer glowing tone. It also increases the blood circulation in your face, hence increasing the texture of the skin and working deep on your facial tissues as acupressure points. Do use it daily. I know some of you are way too busy to use it daily, but you can give yourself 1 or 2 minutes and be consistent. You will see the result. Along with the facial muscles, the exercises we do, it's also important to use Gua Sha to give the extra firmness to the skin, to the face, to make it more sculpted. Let's begin. So for the jawline, we will be using this part. And before applying, make sure your hands, your face and the Gua Sha is clean always for every single use. You can apply moisturizer or any serum or any facial oil, whichever you prefer. And then you can just follow this routine. Working on this side for the jaw lines. I'm giving extra lift or the extra support for the jawline. You can apply 2 fingers as well. Now in the jawline, repeat this for 5 to 10 times. Now moving upwards, we will be using this part just to give extra support to my skin here, so there is no fine lines appearing. Now repeat this for 5 to 10 times as well on this side. Now moving upwards, again we will be using this part. I'm giving some support to my skin because I do not want all of you as well, while performing any facial muscles, facial exercises or any Gua Sha routine which you are doing, to appear or to form any fine lines. So just to make skin more smooth, wrinkle free, I would like every one of you to give that extra support, extra love to your skin. Now repeat this as well for 5 to 10 times. Now moving upwards under the eye to reduce the puffiness, the dark circles. We will be using this part, and remember to be as gentle, as delicate. It's your under eye skin which is the most sensitive. Now to the eyebrows, we'll be using this part. Repeat this as well for 5 to 10 times. Now moving to the L-shaped frown lines which appears in between your eyebrows. Let's massage that using this part. So follow the same routine which we did on this side to the other side as well, and you will see the instant firmness, that tightness you get to your skin. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, show all your love. And I always say, be consistent, practice it religiously. You will definitely see the results. Till then, take care. Bye bye.